Vroom, vroom. The clean excavator happily drives along. Dig, splat. Oh no, I'm all muddy. Crash, rumble. So much dust. Cough, cough. Whoosh. Goodbye, dirt and dust. All shiny and clean. Vroom, vroom. Brave and strong. Off we go again. Rumble, rumble. Here comes the mighty bulldozer. Scrape, scrape. Oh my, I can't see. Splish, splash. Through the mud puddle, what a big mess. Whoosh! Bath time is fun. Let's get squeaky clean. Vroom! The bulldozer is clean again. Let's go. Vroom, vroom! The big dump truck speeds along. Zoom, zoom. Rumble, rumble. Oops, I'm covered in gravel dust. Squelch, splat. Sticky mud is stuck to the back. Whoosh, whoosh. Let's wash off all the dust and mud. Vroom, vroom. Showing off my clean bed back on the road. Rumble, tumble. The mixer truck sings as it drives. Sploosh, splat. Whoops. Gray concrete splashed on me. Drip, drip. Oh no, it's overflowing. Whoosh. Scrub, scrub. Let's wash off the hard cement. Vroom. My drum is shiny, ready to go again. Rumble. Here comes the really big crane truck. Whir, squish. My legs are stuck deep in the mud. Drip, drop. Black oil on my boom, so slippery. Bubble, bubble. Whoosh! Goodbye, mud and greasy oil. The clean crane truck quietly goes home. All together in a line. What a wonderful parade!
1, 2, 3, let's go! Construction friends putting on a show. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep, let's begin. Yellow excavator, shiny and bright. Vroom, 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 a happy sight. Digging in the mud, oh what a mess. Splash! Breaking down a wall, I must confess. Crash! Rub-a-dub-dub, it's washing time. Whoosh goes the water, feeling so fine. Scrub away the mud, the dust and the grime. Let's all get ready to sparkle and shine. Mighty bulldozer pushes with a groan. Rumble! Big dump truck is never alone. Covered now in mud and dusty ground. The messiest workers all around. Down! Rub-a-dub-dub, it's washing time. Whoosh goes the water, feeling so fine. Scrub away the mud, the dust and the grime. Let's all get ready to sparkle and shine. Mixer spinning concrete, gray and thick. Sploosh! Tall cranes working, oh so quick. Whir! Greasy, sticky, what a sight to see. They're all as dirty as can be. But the work is done, the day is through. Time for something fresh and new. Through the car wash, one by one they glide, with nowhere left for dirt to hide. Rub-a-dub-dub, it's washing time. Whoosh goes the water, feeling so fine. Scrub away the mud, the dust and the grime. Let's all get ready to sparkle and shine. Honk, honk, vroom, vroom, here we come. Clean and happy, everyone. The construction friends in a parade. What a happy, shiny maid.
Oh no! The black oil is spilling. Vroom, coming through. Slip! Crash! It slipped on the oil. Whoosh! Squeaky clean. All clean again. Vrr, vrr. Ready to clean the road. Scrub, scrub. Cleaning up all the messy oil. Vroom, vroom. All together on the clean road. Watch out! The dirt is tumbling down. Whoosh! Racing like a flash of lightning. Screech! Tumble! It spun out in the dirt. Splash! Washing all the dirt away. Vroom! Time to make the road clean. Brr, brr, sweeping the dirt all up. Look, driving together on the shiny, clean road. Oops, the trash is falling out. Wee-oo, wee-oo. It's an emergency. We have to hurry. Whoa, crash. It tripped on the pile of trash. Squeaky clean, splash, all clean again. Vrr, vrr, here to help wherever there's a mess. Sweep, sweep, cleaning up every little piece of trash. Happily driving on a clean street. Careful, sticky concrete is pouring out. Vroom, vroom, on the way to school. Splat. Uh-oh, the wheels are stuck. Splash, washing off all the sticky concrete. Here we come, ready to make everything clean. Scrape, scrape, cleaning up the tough, hard concrete. Wow, driving all together on the perfect road. Sparkle, sparkle, our city is always clean and safe.
Oh no! The black oil is spilling! Wee-woo, wee-woo, vroom! Coming through! Slip, crash, it slipped on the oil! Whoosh, splash! All clean again! Scrub, 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 cleaning up the messy oil! Vroom, vroom, driving on a clean road! Whir, sweep, sweep, cleaning up the street, squeaky clean, a happy sound. The best little city all around. Watch out, the dirt is tumbling down. Whoosh, racing like a flash. Screech, tumble, it spun out in the dirt. Splash, washing all the dirt away. Whir, sweep, sweep, cleaning up the street, squeaky clean, a happy sound. The best little city all around. Oops, the trash is falling out. Sticky concrete is all about. Splat, uh-oh, the wheels are stuck. Here we come to clean it up. Whir, sweep, sweep, cleaning up the street, squeaky clean, a happy sound. The best little city all around. Wow, driving all together on the perfect road. Sparkle, sparkle, our city is clean and safe. Hooray!
Yay, a big muddy puddle. This is so much fun. Huh? Oh no, my wheels are stuck. Push, push, but I can't move at all. Somebody, help me, please.
Don't worry, Blue Truck. We'll help you out. Leave it to us, the brave Tractor Brothers. A little mud is no problem for us. Come on, let's pull together. Heave ho! Heave ho!
We did it. Thanks, my tractor friends. Out of the way. Here comes the king of the gravel road, the mighty cement mixer. Whoa, a giant rock. Boom! Ouch, my head. Oh no, I'm stuck between the rocks. What should I do?
A friend in trouble is a friend we must help. 1, 2, 3, pull.
Time to pick up the kids. Beep, beep. What a fun school day. Oh my, a giant tree has fallen across the road. I can't get through like this.
Don't worry, Mr. School Bus. We'll help you out. Just wait a moment. We'll lift this heavy tree and move it aside. Heave ho! Yay! Now let's all drive together. I'm going to be first. It feels like flying in the sky.
Oh no, help me, I can't play. Okay, tractor saves the day. Oh no, help me, what can I do? Okay, tractor rescues you. School bus. Oh no, help me, I'm stuck right here. Okay, tractor pulls with cheers.
Wow! Look at all the cool construction truck friends! A dump truck, a cement mixer, and a bulldozer! Ready for a fun adventure by the river! Here comes the dump truck with a full load of dirt! Yay! Vroom! Uh-oh! Be careful! Whoa! Splash! He took a cool dive right into the water! Driving on the narrow bridge! Oops! He fell in too! Look! He's making fun splashes in the water! It's the green cement mixer's turn! Yay! Go! Woohoo! Let's go to the end of the road! Sploosh! I guess the cement mixer wanted to go for a swim! Huh? He just pushed him in! What a silly trickster! Now the bulldozer is driving on the train track! Woohoo! Choo-choo! Yay! He's so fast! Plop! He made a cool jump into the sea! A bigger bulldozer appeared! Vroom! Woohoo! Splash! It's a water party for everyone today! The trucks are back again! Woohoo! Yay! Whoopsie! They all fell in together! What a funny splashy mess! But wait! Who is coming from far away? It's the big, strong blue tow truck! Wow! The tow truck uses his powerful crane to lift the dump truck. Woohoo! Heave-ho! Up you go! Next, it's time to rescue the cement mixer! Yay! And the last one! He hooks the bulldozer and lifts him right out of the water! Everyone is rescued and safe! Yay! The dump truck, the cement mixer, the bulldozer, and our awesome hero, the tow truck! What a super fun adventure! See you next time, friends!
Red dump truck goes splash, splash, splash in the water with a happy dash. Yellow bulldozer goes plop, plop, plop. He can't wait, he just won't stop. Green cement mixer goes swoosh, swoosh, swoosh to the river with a bubbly whoosh. Splash together, trucks hooray. Fun and games in the water today.
Look at all these cool construction cars inside the box. Who will come out to play first? Oh, it's the yellow excavator. Let's see what it can do.
Here I go. My name is Excavator, and I love to dig. My job is the best. I get to move my long arm and scoop up the sand. Up we go. Let's make a big pile right here. Digging is so much fun.
Now who's next out of the box? Wow, it's the strong orange crane truck.
Time to lift. I'm the strongest truck here. Lift these blocks. See? Easy peasy. Now let's drive up this big winding hill. Whee! Don't worry.
Look who's joining the fun. It's the speedy red dump truck, all ready to haul some heavy loads.
First, I'll carry all these colorful balls. This is fun. Whoa. That was a surprise. Okay, let's try again with these blocks. Hey, Excavator, can you fill me up with some sand? Thanks, buddy. I'm off to my next stop.
And here comes the green machine. Can you guess what it is?
Let's drive towards that rainbow tunnel. And now for the magic. Look, I'm pouring a beautiful rainbow road. Red, yellow, green, and blue. Isn't it pretty? Spin, spin, spin. My mixer is always turning.
It's the amazing cement mixer. There's one more friend in the box. It's the purple road roller.
Now I'll take a drive through the amazing Sandcastle City. Hello, everyone.
Squish, squash, smooth! Perfect! Now through the tunnel I go. Let's bring some friends to help. We are the roller team! Rolling, rolling, rolling! Past all the funny sand statues!
Everyone is busy and having fun. What a fantastic construction crew.
The little cars wake up. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep, zoom, zoom. A sparkling number 1 gently floats down in front of the fire truck. The brave fire truck says, "All right," and sets off with a mighty jolt. Vroom, vroom. The fire truck speeds towards the block tower. Crash! Bang! The fire truck splendidly knocks down the block tower. The fire truck looks around. Here's the number 1. Hooray! The fire truck finds 1 and joyfully spins around. This time, a sparkling number 2 gently appears in front of the ambulance. Beep, beep. The ambulance carefully makes its way along the roads. The ambulance slowly disappears into the dark space under the bed. Ta-da! The ambulance finds the 2 block and peeks out in surprise. Yay! The ambulance finds 2 and happily jumps up and down. A flashing number 3 appears in front of the swift police car. Zoom, zoom! The police car dashes past the bookshelf like a flash. Wee woo, wee woo! The police car cautiously follows the crayon line. Screech! The police car stops right in front of the 3 paper. Whoopee! The police car finds 3 and performs an exciting donut spin. A playful number 4 bounces in front of the sturdy tow truck. Heave-ho! The tow truck powerfully climbs up the ramp. Whoosh! The tow truck slides down the slide with a whoosh. Landing! The tow truck spots the 4 card and wiggles its hook. Boogie woogie! The tow truck finds 4 and jumps up and down playfully. A steady golden number 5 calmly floats down in front of the dependable dump truck. Up we go! The dump truck carefully climbs onto the shelf. Push, push! The dump truck steadily makes its way through the toy forest. Found it! The dump truck nods in front of the 5 sticker. Wiggle, wiggle! The dump truck finds 5 and happily wiggles its dump bed. Rumble, rumble! The little cars gather, each with their found number. All together now! La la la! The little cars celebrate with joyful dances. As the day ends, it's time for the little cars to go to sleep. Good night!
Sparkle, sparkle number